Hey everyone, welcome back to the gaming family. In today's tutorial, let's talk about how you can get voice chat in Roblox but without using an ID. As you can see, I have a voice chat and I didn't use a passport or driver's license, so let me show you how I did it. Make sure that your account is set to 13 plus. Check your account for a 13 plus icon. If you don't have it, you might need a different account with an age set above 13. Next, press the settings icon in the upper right corner. Then select settings again. Go to privacy and scroll down until you see chat features. Toggle the switch next to enable chat with voice to the on position. And that's basically it. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.